how to change picture on Wix website. Hello guys, and today we're going to talk about this platform called Wix and how you can change the different images on your website. Now as you can see right now, we have multiple images on multiple locations. This is the images on our products, and over here on the top this is a simple gallery. Now what we're going to do today is I'm going to edit the images of the Pro Gallery. We're simply going to click on the section on where the gallery is located, and then over here on the top left you would be able to see this message called Manage Media. We're simply going to click this and we would be able to see this window over here. As you can see, these are the different images that we are seeing on our website earlier. Now over here on the right side, this is where we will be able to edit or replace the specific image that we have over here. There's also more options such as title, descriptions, alt text, link, and link title. Now you can delete the contents of this gallery by simply selecting the specific image you want to remove and clicking on delete over here on the top. If you want to add more media, you can simply click on add media option over here, which would allow you to add either images, video, or a text. And after doing that, you can simply click on publish to save whatever you did. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.